Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. For 3 years in a row, Tourism Fiji has been receiving a budget of $23.5 million, which has seen a new revamped direction for the organization.
We're requesting a similar budget that we requested this year, and we are very aware of the tight things that government has to go through in terms of other commitments that they have to do. So for us, we'll have to work with the 23.5 million that we got this year and hope that we get it again next year, and just be smart about it,
Tourism Fiji is hoping that the work they have carried out since 2009 will continue to strengthen, enabling Fiji to tap into newer unexplored markets. Tuamoto says tourism is Fiji's largest export industry and plays a significant role in terms of revenue generation to the nation's economy, adding that all stakeholders play an important role in ensuring sustainability. In the last few years, government had noted record numbers in visitor arrivals and hopes that the tourism industry gets its fair share of allocation from the national budget to continue the exceptional work. Tourism Fiji has set a target to surpass 1 million visitors by 2016.
Fiji has talent, with Fiji fashion getting bigger and better. Designers took center stage at the Fiji Fashion Show to exhibit some of their stunning pieces, which left the crowd in awe.
Models took to the runway to showcase some of Fiji's finest local designs in front of a packed arena at Tapu City in the capital. Both young and established designers exhibited their elegant pieces, giving a glimpse of a budding fashion industry that shows promise for future designers.
I think fashion, as far as it's concerned in Fiji, it's really going upstage, which is good to know that we are actually out there with the other parts of the world. I love what I did this year because I like to encourage designers to focus on using the local materials that we have. So most of the things that you see out there on my collection is all locally supplied fabrics.
An annual event that continues to grow from strength to strength, Fiji Fashion is also a launching pad for many local designers who are making it big in the world of fashion.
Fiji Fashion Week has grown, I can see that. It's become bigger. And this year it's exceptionally good because we're in a new location, up Tapu City. I mean, everybody, the whole place is just so wonderful, beautiful. And the crowd, so exciting. And, the fashion. I'm one of the judges this year, and it's quite difficult for us. Like I said, every year it just becomes better and better. So for us, it's a real hard task. It's very hard to judge the designers.
Samisi adds, with the stage set for budding fashion designers, Fiji Fashion showcases Fiji's uniqueness in culture and designs, which sets it a cut above the rest.
November marks the beginning of cyclone season for Fiji. Director Natural Disaster Management Office Patilia Ndombui says Fiji is normally affected by Category 1 and 2 cyclones. However, a threat looms in the possibility of Fiji being hit by Category 3, 4 and 5 cyclones. Members of the public are urged to take precautionary measures.
Mr. Ndombui adds that the immediate threat of Fiji being affected by Category 3, 4 and 5 cyclone is imminent and has urged members to take necessary measures to avoid loss of lives, property and livestock. Fiji has previously suffered from 2 Category 4 cyclones in 2010, being Cyclone Thomas and Cyclone Dame, which ravaged the island of Vikombia north of Honolulu. A Category 5 cyclone is similar to the one that had hit the New Orleans in the United States, but one important factor noted was the immediate response from the American government, as it was crucial to helping affected families rebuild their lives. However, Category 3 comes with intense rain and strong wind also.
Most of our building code and our building strength that we are recommending should withstand the Cat 5 cyclone. And those are some of the designs that we are circulating for the Ministry for Rural Housing, and also the PWD is also circulating much stronger buildings to be able to withstand this kind of cyclones.
Forecaster Amit Singh from the Fiji Meteorological Service says 5 to 8 cyclones are predicted to reach the South Pacific this year.
More after the break.